My name is Brian Brooks. I work in 3M's Corporate Research Laboratories, and I'm a visual perception research specialist. We're very excited about bringing our technology and service to the cloud via Windows Azure. For the first time, people are going to be able to upload images, photographs, any sort of visual content, and without having to do any sort of time-consuming or expensive eye tracking study, use our technology to predict whether their visual goals are being met with their content. So we're very excited about Windows Azure because it actually takes database and infrastructure management completely off our plate. Furthermore, because our image processing algorithms are so computationally intensive, Windows Azure provides us with the scalability and elasticity that we need such that we don't have to invest in massive amounts of computing infrastructure that would be needed for peak usage, when most of that infrastructure would simply be wasted during non-peak usage. What's nice is, because we've already built our technology with Windows Azure, we actually have a long roadmap of other features that are going to be extremely valuable that furthermore are leveraging the Windows Azure platform. For example, we're going to be offering the ability for people to upload videos for analysis, which are very complex and computationally intensive. Likewise, the ability to upload content and note using, for example, Silverlight, to be able to note where the possible places to put a piece of content in a complex scene, and then have our computational model, our visual attention services application, actually make recommendations for the users where's the best place to place the content within the scene. So these are all very computationally intensive services that with Windows Azure, we're going to be able to bring to market at our own pace as fast as we possibly can. So once we did decide to go with Azure, it was, there was a slight learning curve. However, even that learning curve was helped by the fact that it's Microsoft environment, and so our developers could leverage that. Furthermore, the nice thing is that learning curve is going to be leveraged throughout, because we're going to continue to develop and we're going to continue to use the stream of Microsoft tools that are going to be developed for our future functionality. The three words that come to my mind when I think about Windows Azure are scalability, flexibility, and performance.